will ask you some question and I will give money for you.
Okay.
How much you want?
15.
15?
I said.
For what? Why you want lots of money?
Because so I can pay stuff.
Okay, the first question is how do you count 1 to 13 in Hmong?
一二八六七八下一个个个一个二个八个六个七个六个下个一个个零个零个一零个二零个八零个六零个七零个六零个下零个一零个九
No, wrong.
No.
Okay. Next question. How do you
Is it
say
wrong? Also wrong.
30? Okay. How do you say circle in Hmong?
Bubble.
Bubble. And how do you say chicken?
Guy.
How do you say let's triangle?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Yeah, rectangle. Yeah, rectangle.
Cinco.
Okay, true and true. Okay, chicken, true. How do you say rice in Hmong?
Ma.
Okay. How do you say water?
Day.
Yeah, okay. How do you say vegetable?
Huh?
Vegetable. Vegetable in Hmong?
Vegetable.
Uh-huh. One question is $1. Yeah. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 questions. You answer is true, but it's still 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god, I don't know this one.
Okay, you don't know. Okay.
Can you tell me?
Vegetable is rau rau.
Zhao.
Yeah. Okay. Another question. How do you say dog in Hmong?
Ow.
Okay.
Put it.
How do you say wet? How do you say Z?
Yo.
No? Mistake. Ask your some question and then we will give money for you.
Okay.
Each question you got. Okay. The first question, how do you say sofa? Sofa.
Salon.
What?
Salon.
Salon. Okay. Next question, how do you say table? Table in Hmong? Come on, you can do it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Big. Next one. Next
Okay.
question.
Next question, how do you say chair in Hmong? Do all your best. You can. You can use your gesture. You use. Like this and like this. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I want to start over.
You want to stop it?
I
Why?
want to start over.
Okay. You want to stop it?
Wait, I want to start over again from my bed.
Why? Your mom don't tell you anything?
No, only Auntie
Don't.
Cindy.
Auntie Sandy teach you? Okay, do you want more? I will give this one and you go to review again and we will do again. Okay? Okay. I give you 50 minutes. Okay, go to ask Auntie Sandy.
Yes.
Okay, we start for sofa.
Today.
Wow! How do you say table in Hmong? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. You will go next question?
Oh no. Tell me.
Okay, I will tell you. Dog.
Dog.
Okay, next. Chair. Say Hmong chair. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, I will tell you. Dong.
Dog.
Okay, I tell you. Okay. How do you say hello in Hmong?
Not sure.
Okay. How do you say pepper? Pepper.
Okay.
You want me to tell you? Đỡ.
No.
Okay.
G.
How do you say flower?
Ba.
Ba. Okay.
G.
How do you say fruits?
G.
Okay. How do you say airplanes?
No.
Okay. How do you say I love you in Hmong?
Luca.
2 times.
Luca.
Okay. Okay. You're done. Okay. We will check. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions. You answered true. 6 questions. You
Look at
got
this.
$6.
Look at 10.
Because you lose table and chair and paper. Because I told you, and you will lose this one, but you go to get your money. Yeah, $6. Hey, you don't want it. You can buy lots of candy.
Only $10.
Next time. Okay.